Okay, guys, it's Catfish back here with Big Red and his friend, the Toro stand-on ride-on aerator. Sorry if I'm out of breath. I'm trying to get this video done soon so I can broom up some of the errant plugs. So I can't remember what I updated in the last video, but at the end of July and in August, first couple weeks of August, I completely killed off the entire yard, except for that small patch there, which I previously sodded, and I didn't want to completely get rid of it to avoid some water issues. It's kind of a collection point right there, so to keep it from eroding away. I didn't get rid of that area there, but completely killed off the whole yard. Definitely waited too long to seed it. Today's October 1st, 2023. I killed this off, 60 days ago. I waited absolutely too long. I waited so long that a lot of the weeds, that a lot of the issue that I was dealing with, Bermuda, which was the reason for the renovation, ended up coming back. So good thing and a bad thing. Bad thing, I waited so long to get some tall fescue seed in the ground. Good thing that I was able to, catch some more Bermuda that reared its ugly head. Originally, when I done this, I had planned to take the time to redo my drainage ditches, it goes into the culvert underneath the driveway, and redo some landscaping beds, because I pretty much ripped them out over the last couple of years. There used to be a lot more landscaping here. I mean, there's literally nothing right now besides 2 trees and some holly hedges that I'm down to the last 7 or 8 or so to take out, to get rid of those. Originally there was rows of hedges that went all the way down both sides of the property. Imagine pre-fence that I built a couple of years ago. And but getting back on topic, this has really been my happy place I've spent a lot of time trying to perfect. And then this year I just got so sick of the Bermuda that I went out on a whim and killed everything off one day. Don't ever leave your sprayer loaded up with glyphosate, because you may get some bad ideas like I did. But anyways, I think it worked out for the best. Originally I had planned on seeding with Mountain View Seeds Artemis, which is kind of the fescue freaks, if you're a member of that group. It's the fescue freaks, number one. It's the number one blend right now. It's got some really good varieties in there. Really good, top-notch seed. I really like Mountain View Seeds. I've used them the whole time, or I've always used them to overseed this yard, except for, actually, yes, I have. The past couple of years has been with Top Choice Gold, which is really good seed, got good varieties. I also had a lot of disease problems this year after overseeding almost exclusively with the Top Choice Gold, and wanted to try something different. So that's where we're at here. Like I said, originally I was planning on going with the Artemis, but business got so crazy these last couple of months that it really turned this project into a crapshoot. I went from having, in my opinion, the best yard in the neighborhood to without a doubt the worst. I mean, it looks like a desert, in my yard compared to everyone else's that had especially when we had a really good end of summer green up, and a lot of weeds died off, and everybody's grass really shined through. But ended up, I was doing a side project for the business, and became real friendly with the side farmers down there. It's Pro Green Incorporated in Morganton, North Carolina. Barry Clark is no longer there, but John Clark, Hunter Clark, really good people. They run a really good family business. They have the best stuff, period. There's no one else around here that even compares. They don't have the name brand of a super sod like we have in Mooresville, but they have, you know, quality out the yin yang. So making multiple trips down there to Pro Green for this side project I had. You know, I kept, every time I would pick up, I was doing a zoysia project, every time I would pick up some zoysia sod, I would look over to the field next door at the next door, and it was fescue, and then beside that they had Kentucky bluegrass, and I just wanted to, and I kind of bugged them for a little while. I said, what is this? What are you using? I mean, it was perfect. And it ended up being, ended up finding out it was called Triple Threat. Can't remember the name of the seed brand or the seed company offhand, but it was called Triple Threat. It's a sod quality seed, which means it's, you know, gold tag, 0.0% weed seed, which is almost unbelievable, but it is what it is, you know. It's the best of the best. I mean, it doesn't get any better than sod quality seed, and they ended up letting me buy some off of them. So I got 100 pounds of sod quality seed. I overseeded one of my customers' properties with that was looking for something on the way high end spectrum like I was. And yeah, I'm really excited to see what it looks like. I'm happy with the choice that was made. I'm happy with the way things played out. I still think I'm going to end up having Bermuda issues in this lawn. I think short of fumigating, you know, cutting sod off of this and fumigating the yard for about 2 years, I mean, it's never going to be a fix-all. But I am happy with everything, and thank God I have, you know, in-ground irrigation, and we're going to get after it. So we'll see what kind of germination we've got here in a couple of weeks, and we'll just pamper it and baby it, and yeah, we're gonna make some stuff happen. I'm really excited, and happy for y'all to follow along with me. Thanks.